Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Breville brand toaster oven and you're getting an e04 error and you're wondering what's going on and what you need to do to get rid of it. Now, if you're getting an e04 error, this is somewhat of a rare error, but the thing is, this is because these ovens are not like, big powerful ovens that are installed in the wall or anything like that. They just have this glass door with not great insulation. Is that if it's too cold out, if they're in a room that's too cold, then the oven will not be able to heat up properly without overworking everything. And to protect itself from damaging itself, from just almost like feeling like it's trying to heat the whole room, it will give you this error. So the only thing you really need to do to get rid of this error is if you can move the oven to a room, either turn the heat on in your house, get the room heated up, or move it to a room where where it's warmer, or at least there's less airflow, so that it can build a little pocket of warm air around it, and it'll operate better. But that's all that's happening, is that the air is so cold around it that it feels like it can't operate properly. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.